plugged into this green cord right here, or pink cord. So oh look, see, it's a good sign, man. It might work. 111. All right. Well, let's go see what the GOALZERO is doing. Not using as much electricity I was thinking it was going to use. But yeah, that's the washing machine that it's using right now. There it goes, kicks on again. Probably spinning the drum. Yeah, so can the GOALZERO power a washing machine? Well, so far so good. Let's continue and find out. Probably take out all these little plugs that I'm not using. There you go. Looks better. So it's also powering my computer as well. See, my laptop's plugged in there. There it is. So far, so good. It's working. It says it's in wash mode. "56 minutes left. It's still working. Still spitting. Looks like it's on wash. Okay, so within that time frame, looks like I used 1% of the battery. And this is a GOALZERO, and it is a Yeti 6000X. This looks pretty good. Looks to go up to like maximum 250, we'll call it 300 watts with the turning cycle, just washing. I'm curious about the spin. How much is the power going to be used with the spin? Well, let's find out. GOALZERO. Check that out, still working. 16 minutes left. Spin cycle and everything. So can the GOALZERO wash clothes with a regular house washing machine? Well, so far, Samsung VRT Plus HE says yes. This is exciting. This is good news. Super, super sweet. You see the extension cord there, and on the ground it's plugged into. All right. 15 minutes. This has got 96% and it's still washing. So it's crazy. There it is. Jumps up to turn the drum. And then once it's done turning, goes down to almost 0. Well, 15 watts. Then it turns it again. Didn't take up much electricity at all to do a load of laundry. That's very exciting. This is the GOALZERO 6000X. So here it is. It's at full speed. It's doing the last final spin, and it's holding steady at about 370, 375. All right, let's go check it out, and I'll show you what it's doing. Full speed. There it is, 3 minutes to go. It's just starting to unwind. Full speed. See, it's spinning. All right, 2 minutes. So can the GOALZERO power a regular washing machine. On a front-loading washing machine, on a Samsung, the VRT Plus HE. If you got something like this, with just a regular plug, then yes, I think the GOALZERO can. Alright, it worked. Thank you, GOALZERO. I can wash my clothes because of you. Hashtag solar power, hashtag GOALZERO, hashtag. Woo! The end. It's got 95%. So what, it used 2 to 3% of the battery to do an hour washing. Alright. GOALZERO Yeti 6000. Appreciate you guys. What do you think, Perchy? Pretty good taters? Yeah? You know, Perchy says that they're pretty good taters. Alright. Well, you have a great day, YouTube. Peace be with you. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and always have a great night.